9 in the morning. Everybody's fucking going to work and shit. And we about to cook up, fellas. Let's get it. TECHGOD Beats and TECHGODbeats.com back with another video for y'all boys. Cooking up a beat for you guys in under 10 minutes. If you learn something, if you fuck with it, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the sub button. Join this fire producer community we building. Let's get it. Yeah. Can't beat it. So we got our melody pulled up right here. I'll play it for you guys. Alright, that's fire. So off rip, what we're gonna do is, that's the intro. We're gonna start it with the hook. That's gonna be 2 bars, and then we're gonna format the verse real quick. Boom. So 2, so this is the intro, verse, hook, verse, then hook. And throw another verse at the end real quick. And this helps you with your workflow, right? Just do it now. You see, you set the layout of the beat, you know what I mean? Saves time later. Alright, so straight off the rip, we're gonna go ahead and select the instruments we're gonna use. So I'm about to bang out these hats real quick. I ain't even about to take my time. I don't like taking my time with my hats. Kind of ruins the way it flows to me. Alright, so we got our hats out the way. Go ahead and do our claps. Do the open hats. The perk, go ahead and record that in. Duplicate that. Add the snare. Alright, so we got our foundation pretty much laid out. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and throw the 808s on there. And again, for the 808s, you just pitch it all the way up to find the right note and pitch it back down when you found it. Alright, that's cool for the 808s. Then we're gonna copy that and paste it over the kicks. Then we're gonna bring everything up to the regular C. And then to make it a little different, I just like to move my kicks a little. Might move them back a little bit. Take that out. And also bring the levels back down, because I boosted the level on the 808. So I'll play it real quick. So that's the hook. Now for the verse, I'm gonna go ahead and, first we need to send everything to the mixer track. So we highlight it, go over here, channel routing, boom. Now for the verse, what we're gonna do is we need to separate the verse from the hook, right? So we slow that bitch down, boom, growth speed, create automation, go back to the playlist. Click that, hold it, drag it up, bring it back down. Boom, you got this. I play it over, kind of skip. All right, the timer's at 9 minutes. All right. It's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to EQ your beats real quick. All right. I wasn't gonna include this, but I fuck with y'all. I appreciate all the support. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to level real quick. So we're gonna start with the melody. Alright, so I just went through and made room for the 808. Real simple. Now what I'm gonna do is, oh nah, you know what? I'm gonna just stop it right there. Oh nah, you know what? Now I'm actually level it. So I EQ'd it, now I'm gonna level it for y'all. The kick, regular, open hats. Throw a little reverb on it. Bring it down, throw some delay. These are like my go-to like shit that I do real quick for my quick beats. Alright, that's pretty much it. You just seen how I made a beat in under 10 minutes for you guys. Show you guys how to level it. Show you guys how to EQ it. But yeah, if you fuck with it, subscribe down below. Run this fire for this community. TECHGOD Beats. TECHGODbeats.com.